Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if you need to replace your squeegee blades because they're damaged or they're worn, I'm going to show you really quick how to do that. Just remove the squeegee assembly from the machine, loosening up these inner knobs. Take your suction hose off and set it off to the side. Okay, so we're going to replace the rear blade first. Take the red knob that is holding your back strap down to the assembly and loosen that up just like that. Now you can remove the back strap. That. Take the blade off. So to remove the front blade, flip your squeegee assembly over. Now your inner knobs are already loose. You want to loosen the outer knobs. Just like that. Now, you can remove your front blade. Now to reinstall, just reverse your steps. Make sure that the holes in the blade line up with the little notches on your squeegee assembly. That's kind of what holds the blade in place. Outer. Now all you need to do is press that down in there. And tighten the outer knobs back down. Okay. Flip that back over. Same thing, make sure your holes on your blade line up with the notches on your squeegee assembly. Just like that. And now, put your back strap back on. Then tighten the red knob back down. Now all we have to do is reattach it to the machine. Last step, we're going to take your squeegee assembly, put it back on the machine, reattach your suction hose, and tighten the inner knobs down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.